Here's how to replace your timing belt, without locking tools. Disconnect the airflow sensor and inlet hose to lift out the air box. You will now have access to the engine mount and timing belt casing. Before you go any further, remove lower engine cover and inner wheel arch liner. This will give access to the lower engine. Release tension on belt by turning tensioner clockwise. The lower pulley now needs removing. There are 4 12 millis in the central pulley bolt. This might be tight, lightly tap to remove. Now remove the lower cover 10 millis. Back up top, with the engine supported underneath. Remove the engine mount, then the inner bracket. Now removed, there's a little bracket to the right to remove. Then the timing belt covers can be removed. Be aware of the engine mount bracket. Now that the covers are removed, the cam belt needs marking up. Mark all pulleys, belt and back plate as seen here. To remove the belt, the tension needs releasing. This is done by loosening the central bolt, turning tensioner with Allen key, until tension released, then, tighten bolt back up, as seen here. Belt can now be removed. Now change over the idler pulley and tensioner. You will need to remove the camshaft pickup ring to refit the cam belt. Mark it up so you don't refit it incorrectly. Preload tensioner, ready for the new belt. Then duplicate your marks on the new belt. Refit the belt, ensuring your marks on the new belt align with the marks on the pulleys. Then release preload on tensioner and tension the belt slightly if required. Then tighten tensioner. Turn crankshaft to full revolutions, then check marks align on all pulleys and backplate. Recheck tension on belt, and don't forget to refit the cam sensor ring. Now it's just a case of reassembling remaining parts, running up and checking everything is okay. Thanks for watching, hope the video helped you. If there's anything you're unsure about, leave a comment, and I will get back to you as soon as possible.